Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CAT S53. First of all, go into Play Store on both and install Send Anywhere app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, do exactly the same on both devices. Start by tapping on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of CAT device. Also on S53, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. In order to do that, select Categories at the top. And to choose multiple files, click on the top left corners. Or just tap on the chosen ones to pick only a couple, In my case, those two. Wherever you do, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on CAT device. Now choose while using or only this time to allow camera access. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!